Introduction to thousands. As we know that 1000 is nothing but the group of 10 hundreds, it is numerically written as 1000. Let us try to represent 1000 in the form of figure. We know that 100 can be represented by this figure. As 1000 is a combination of 10 hundreds, the figure that represents 1000 looks like this. Now, I am telling you an interesting fact. Do you know what is the largest 3-digit number? It is 999. The fact is 999 plus 1 is equal to 1000. You can observe that 1000 is the first 4-digit number. Similarly, 2000, which is the group of 2000, 3000, which is the group of 3000, and so on.